Are you looking for the most unique cut-in kit for the 2014 and up Harley Davidsons? Hertz has that for you. Stay tuned for more. Hey y'all, this is Chris McNulty from Hertz Audio and Video. Today we're talking about our HD14H Harley Davidson cut-in kit for the 14 and up Harley Davidson baggers. It's a really unique kit that we spent a couple years developing and finally brought to market last year. One thing that you'll notice when you look at the kit is the very unique styling in the speaker grille. For years, there's been a very generic speaker grille for the Harleys that's been available from a number of different vendors, and it's been functional. But with the Italian styling, we feel that we are able to put ourselves in a different stratosphere as far as the looks and factory fitment. The kit itself, as you see in front of you, is a number of different pieces. We've got the inside component, which mounts underneath, which Phil's got right there. This is a really neat kit. If you look at the bottom of it, we've actually used brass threaded inserts that are thermoset into the kit to make sure that we've got a much more stable and resilient mounting mechanism for the mounting kit. We have a very similar cut-in kit to many of the other things out there. However, we've added additional screw mounting holes for the cut-in kit to ensure that the cut is perfect every single time. Another thing that we've done is we've ensured that all of the connections are removable. Many of the kits that we've seen in the past have had issues where they're removable once the speakers are in there, or there's speaker disconnects that are in the elements that can deteriorate over time. We've used a waterproof quick disconnect so that the bags are removable for service, maintenance, and anything that needs to be done with the vehicle. We feel we've put together a really dynamic kit with an unbelievable speaker that just sets our stuff apart. With the entirety of this kit put together, you'll notice that it's just a fundamentally different kit with a very dynamic fit and finish that's 100% Hertz. Walking by, you'll definitely know what you're about to hear. Once again, this is Chris McNulty from Hertz Audio Video. If you're interested in any more information on our kit, I encourage you to jump over to our website, hertz-audio.com.